Everybody, it's me, Madison, and you're probably surprised to see my face on your subscription box again or on my another video out. But yeah, I'm back for like, I don't know how long I'm gonna be back, but like I got sent a really cute palette and I had to do a fall makeup look, so here it is. So if you want to learn how to get this makeup with the SAHARA palette from Alter Ego, keep on watching. So let's get started. Okay, so I already got my eyebrows done and they are looking amazing. So now I'm gonna get my primer from Fenty Beauty, and I'm just gonna apply this. It smells like baby powder. Okay, so after that, we're gonna get our foundation, and I'm using the Huda Beauty one. Ew, maybe I didn't use it yet. I don't know. I guess I'm having a little bit of a breakout in my face. I'm not gonna do the foundation everywhere because fall, I want to have my freckles, you know, because that's cute, and I'm gonna like draw them back on. So school's been going good, and I have homecoming on Friday, and I already have my mom made, and I made the garter. We'll probably have a vlog coming up, so my mums will be in the vlog, and if you don't know what a mum is, you're probably not from Texas. So basically it's something we do at homecoming, and it's like a flower and it hangs down. Yeah, go Google it. Oh, concealer. So now I'm gonna do my concealer. I had to help my friend Dominic. I'm sure you guys all know who he is. He was at the mom store yesterday, and I had to he was like, help me. So I took it literal and I went up there anyways. And so with our school, it's kind of weird. So I'm a freshman, but I'm still in middle school because of the way our district is. Technically, I am supposed to be at high school, and so yeah, so technically our high school is only sophomore to senior, not freshman to senior. I don't like it because I think I should be in high school, but whatever. Because we're stuck with the 7th graders and 8th graders. But yeah. And then, so I had to go help him because I wasn't gonna say anything, I just wanted to go over there and look again, but then his mom saw us and it was help. So my mom helped her. And then Dominic was just bullying me the whole time, of course. Him and his girlfriend are so cute together. Okay, so now for the eyeshadows. I really don't like foundation. Okay, so I'm gonna do something simple, you know, but fall-y. So I'm gonna get a blending brush. I'm gonna get this one, and I'm gonna get the color Adobe. I've gotten 2 other palettes from Alter Ego and they're so good. There's a peely on here. And I'm gonna get Sierra. I'm gonna put that on the darker. Now I'm gonna get the color Jewel with my finger. I'm gonna mix Jewel and Mirage. And I'm gonna put that on my lid. And that is pigmented. Kind of matches my shirt. Okay, so now I'm gonna do the other eye and I'll be right back. So I got my eyes done, now I'm gonna do my eyeliner. I like doing that now. So I put it on my upper waterline and my lower waterline. And it's black. Okay, so after that, I'm gonna do my mascara. Okay, so there's my mascara. And I'm gonna do blush. I'm using the Milani powder blush. If you've seen the trend where they do it across, it's cute. Okay, so now I'm gonna get my MAC highlighter. This is Whisper of Guilt. And first I'm gonna start off by doing my inner corner. Brow bone. Nose. And then right here. And then after that, I'm gonna get my bronzer and my browns. I'm using the Benefit Hula bronzer. Oh, I'm gonna do lips. So for lips, I'm just gonna do a lip liner. I'm using the Revolution one in Rain. So here's the completed look. And if you want, you could easily turn this into a scarecrow, like a little cute scarecrow. So overall, I really like this makeup look and I love the palette. Compare it to Urban Decay and Huda Beauty. I really like it. So yeah, I'll leave it linked down below if you want to get one. So yeah. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I'll see you when I post again. Bye.